recap for reported speech. What is reported speech?
Ma'am, reported speech. What is reported speech? Like,
What is
uh,
reported speech? मतलब reported का मतलब क्या हुआ? What is reported speech?
ma'am, direct to indirect speech. Like,
हम्म ठीक है,
okay.
try.
I'm not able to define it, but I can do it.
No, but you are right. Like you are reporting something. For example, I give you something. Like if a teacher is telling you that Adi close the door, okay? And you will go back to home, you will go to your mom and you will report my instructions to your mom. That Kamya ma'am told me to close the door. Right? So you are
Yes.
reporting original words of the speaker. So that is reported speech only. Reported का मतलब क्या हुआ? कि you are reporting someone's, you are conveying someone's dialogue to the other person.
And change it to indirect. So,
Yes. So basically, indirect speech is only reported speech, but yeah, we divide reported speech into two parts, which is direct speech and indirect speech. Direct speech is the words of the speaker. Okay, Adi?
yes, ma'am. Okay.
Direct speech is the words of the speaker, and indirect speech is words that you convey to the third
Okay.
person. Okay? Like we both are talking, you go back to your home, maybe you're talking to your mom or your dad, and you're reporting our conversation. So, whatever you will be reporting, whatever you will be telling them will be reported speech, indirect speech. Okay? So,
Okay.
if I can say that reported speech is indirect speech, can I say that?
Ma'am.
Will it be right?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes,
can
ma'am.
I say reported speech is direct speech?
Yeah, ma'am.
Direct speech.
No. If it is the like words of the speaker, but
Yeah.
indirect speech. Yeah, okay. No. Can't
बिकॉज
say that.
सी डियर रिपोर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है कि आप किसी की चीज अपने वे में रिपोर्ट कर रहे हो कन्वे कर रहे हो राइट सो
Yes.
इट्स द सेम एज इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बट या ऑब्वियसly we have types of speech so direct speech is just a type of reported speech okay and you know the difference between direct speech and indirect speech any doubts there
Yes.
okay
No, ma'am.
basically you are just summarizing someone's words or statements and then conveying it to someone that is all reported speech
Okay.
see whenever we do any topic in English Adi see, no one is going to ask you what is the definition of reported speech, what is the definition of articles, what is the definition of adjectives. But you should know that what are prepositions. अगर कल को किसी ने पूछा कि prepositions क्या होते हैं, I know many people are blank कि क्या होते हैं. What are prepositions? What are nouns? And what are tenses basically? This is also important. ये tenses हमें ये तो पता है past, present, future होते हैं. But tenses का मतलब क्या है? Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of tenses?
Ma'am, tenses.
Hmm?
Ma'am, tenses are like tenses define the sentence as they are past, future, or present.
Very good. So instead of defining, you can say they divide our time. Tenses का मतलब क्या होता है आधे time.
Okay.
Tenses divide our time and our actions. Up, see, you must notice, you must be noticing that all the actions are taking place around us all the time. मतलब there is no stationary environment around us. Stationary मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ रुक सा गया है
Till
आसपास.
till a
Something or other thing is happening around you always, right? So when do tenses come into picture? Tenses come into picture when it divides your actions according to time. आप एक्शन कौन सा कब कर रहे हो सिर्फ उस टाइम टेंसेस पिक्चर में आते हैं सो बेसिकली टेंसेस आर नथिंग बट दे जस्ट डिवाइड योर एक्शंस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ टाइम कि अगर आदि ने ब्रेकफास्ट करा तो उसने कब करा आज करा या कल करा अगर आदि ने आज क्रिकेट मैच खेला तो वो आज हुआ फॉर एग्जाम्पल आदि प्लेड अ क्रिकेट मैच बट वेन एक्शन तो बता दिया कि ही प्लेड बट वेन yesterday today yeah he will play tomorrow so that is where tenses come into picture okay so tenses is nothing but just the division of your actions on the basis of time clear
okay.
okay coming I was just explaining you why do we need to know the meanings of a particular topic in English okay because whenever
Okay.
see you should be prepared as a student you should know कि अगर मैं tenses पढ़ रहा हूँ तो tenses होते क्या हैं we don't have to be passive listeners कि बस हाँ हमें पढ़ा दिया और हमने पढ़ लिया present past future no you have to get into detail that what are we studying okay now coming back to reported speech Adi We have already done it a lot of times, and according to me, I think you have improved in reported speech, what I have seen in your thing, okay? But today I am going to do a little bit of oral before we start doing written work, okay?
Okay.
I will ask you few words. You just tell me how will you report them in reported speech, okay? I will tell you words in direct form and you tell me in indirect form, right? Okay. May,
Me.
M-A-Y, may.
Me. Me. I am not done for me. Me. I have not done any sentence with me.
Think. Kamya said, Adi may come.
Mm,
We have
would,
done, Adi.
would it be of any like order or uh declarative sentence or like okay.
No, no. How will you change may?
Me. Uh,
For example, I give you a direct sentence. Kamya said, Adi may come today. Okay? Adi may
okay.
come today. This is the sentence. How will you convert it now? Think about it. Don't worry. If you want to write it down and think. But I want answer from you.
Okay.
Because we have done, it is impossible that we haven't discussed may.
No, I'm saying like we have discussed, but I have not done any sentence containing may with it.
It's okay, it's okay. But you just remember the rule that how do we change may? And you
Mm.
have your register that you are maintaining for English?
Now I'm outside. But it is with me.
Hmm. May changes to might.
Might. Okay.
Hmm. Okay. Now you change. Now you tell me the answer.
So, ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Yeah. Kamya said Adi may come today.
Uh, Kamya said that uh, Adi might come. What would today change? Today, the present day. The present.
Today I have given you a question. Now you
Uh,
tell me how do you change today?
Ma'am, today would change to the present day, na? The present day.
Mm-hmm. No. Today to
Uh,
present हो गया and
the
simple
following
present.
day. The following day. No, that would be the next day.
Hmm.
Uh,
Simple present changes to simple past. Today changes to that day.
okay,
Today changes to
that day.
that day. Take out your register, write down these words side by side wherever you think is necessary. May changes to
Okay.
might. Today changes to that day. This changes to this.
This changes to this only, may to might, and today to
No,
that day.
no, wait. This changes to that, Adi.
Okay, this changes to
This
that.
changes to that. May to might, can to
Could.
could,
No,
shall,
sorry, will. I confused with will. Will would change to would.
yeah, will to would, can to could, shall,
Shall to should.
okay, shall to should, must,
You told must changes to
hmm,
must
quickly, quickly.
uh, must change to
See why I am
would.
revising these things. I will tell you. You will think that ma'am keeps on revising these things again and again because this is the crux of reported speech. You know, if you forget these things, your answer will be 100% incorrect. That is why learning these things are very important. Okay? And I always tell you, keep noting down things in your register. Whenever we are discussing, note down the things. Make star, make a table. You can make a table direct in the line and it will hardly take you 1 minute. Just note it down quickly. May to might, can to could, shall to should. Because you know, whenever you have exams, it will be easier for you to revise it, right?
Uh, must na
Must changes to
has
had to.
has Had to. I thought has been.
No, this word is very important. Must changes to had to in reported speech.
Had.
I'll give you one sentence, okay? Because then you will be more confident, Adi. Okay. The teacher said, you must complete your work.
The teacher said that you had to complete your work.
ठीक है, but you क्यों नहीं change करा? Why haven't you changed you?
Said that I had to complete my work.
हाँ, I लिख सकते हो आप. You can use I, you can use he, she or we. Anything. But you have
Okay.
to change it. And
Okay.
remember, Adi, you have to follow the tricks. I have told you a lot of times that not just you, like I keep telling this to all the students because see, reported speech is a little tricky topic. It takes time. But yeah, I am happy that at least like we did last few worksheets. So I think you did it better than before. So at least I am
School also, I can do the sheets.
where?
In school also, if ma'am gives sheet, I can do.
Yeah, so I'm happy. But अब मुझे दिक्कत क्या होती है कि अब थोड़ा सा गैप आ गया ना, you took little gap. Now we are not going to take lot of gaps, okay? Try to be little regular. And whenever you are, at home, you're free, just revise the rules, nothing else. Because it is all about rules. Adi, if you are following the rules, your reported speech will be 100% correct. But if you forget the rules, you won't be able to, convert it. That is why I keep revising the rules, okay? Now quickly tell me, must changes to?
Had to.
Had to. May changes to?
Might.
Can?
Could.
This?
That.
Just give me a minute. Yes, dear.
Yes.
Uh, yeah, so in reported speech, how will you change tomorrow?
Tomorrow, the following day,
Okay. Yesterday?
the previous day.
Okay. And today?
Today, that day,
That day. Good. This,
that
THDS. This, that, okay. Ago?
ago. Uh, ago would be a past tense.
So for instance, if I give you ago in a sentence, how will you change it?
Uh, like what can be the sentence? Can you give me an example?
Ago changes to before, dear, before.
Before, okay.
Okay, you have to remember this. And may changes to
Might,
can,
to could,
shall,
should,
must.
must to had to.
Okay. Did,
What?
did, did,
Did,
did.
didn't or do, do.
For instance, if I say teacher said, did you call her? Did you call me?
The teacher said that.
Asked.
Uh,
The teacher
okay.
asked that.
Okay.
That नहीं आएगा.
Asked that. Okay. The teacher asked, ma'am, you did not change to do,
Had.
do.
नहीं dear. Did
Okay.
already past में. देखो did is the past form of do. है ना?
Okay.
Did
Oh,
is the
हाँ.
follow the
Do changes.
ladder. See, we have एक और चीज मैंने आपको बताई थी. You have to remember how we convert the tenses in reported speech. Only two things are important. The words, how do you change the words, and the tenses. Now you know that do is simple present tense. Do is simple present na, Adi? And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
will be the past form of do?
Ma'am, did.
Did. Ab, you know the rule of reported speech that whenever you have past tense, you change past tense to past perfect. And past
Perfect.
perfect we use had.
Right.
Right? अब आप मुझे बताओ, how will you change it? The teacher
Uh,
said,
the
did you
teacher
call
asked,
me? Hmm.
asked, had,
If we are questioning, we use whether or if in questions.
okay.
So the
So
teacher asked,
if I had called her.
if I had called her. Very good. Great. Now you have understood. This
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
the area of confusion, Adi. You have to be very careful with these sentences. And I'm repeating it again. Wherever you are finding difficulty, you can always tell me that, ma'am, please repeat. I want to write this down. Okay, write down, keep noting down. Show me your notebook. Have you noted down anything today?
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I kept the notebook here, but I noted it on my notes. After the class, I'll note it on my
Yeah.
register.
Please see, whenever we have a class now, your register should be there on the table, okay? And just
Ma'am, I
maintain.
kept it this side only, but I'm
It's
not able
okay.
to.
It's okay. What I'm just trying to say, and it's not just with you. I tell each and every student, whether it's a third class student or fourth class student, because see, I just want that whatever we are discussing, you at least write down the important things, okay? And when you're maintaining one register, na, it will be easier for you during exams. Only that's the
I,
reason.
I have written the
Okay.
like.
No problem. No problem.
What?
Okay. Okay. Let's practice 2, 3 more questions and then we'll do something else. Okay. So, Adi, uh, yeah, quickly tell me how do we change tenses in reported speech? Simple present changes to
Simple past,
present continuous.
past continuous,
Yes. Present perfect.
present perfect to past perfect
Present perfect continuous.
to past perfect
Very good.
continuous.
Amazing. Now, simple past changes to
Simple past remains same. Simple past
mm-hmm.
or simple present.
सिंपल ना ना सिंपल पास्ट देखो एक ना माइंड में एक लैडर बना लो प्रेजेंट सारा पास्ट में चेंज होते हैं ठीक है ऑल द प्रेजेंट
Okay.
फॉर्म्स चेंजेस टू पास्ट
Past would be simple future.
पास्ट चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट
Okay.
ठीक है तो सिंपल पास्ट चेंजेस टू पास्ट परफेक्ट
Right. Past perfect doesn't change to anything.
yes
No?
past perfect there's no change this is also a major area of confusion among students ठीक है so there is no change now past perfect no change and past perfect continuous
Past perfect continuous.
again it
Uh,
will be no change because
no change.
past perfect is already there so we don't have to change ठीक है
Okay.
now simple future
Simple future. Simple future would change, be future only same.
yeah basically it will be given in the form of will or shall so either you
Yeah.
will change shall to
Would,
should
or should
huh.
or would.
Yes, yes. Shall to should or will to would. Perfect? Clear? Everything? Anything you want to ask? Any doubts?
Mhm.
Okay. I'll give you 1 or 2 sentences, okay? My friend asked me, did you call me last night? My friend
My friend
asked
asked me,
me,
did
did
you
you
call
call me last night?
last? My friend asked if I
Asked whom?
me. My
Okay.
friend asked me if I
Hmm.
had called him last night.
Him the last night. Very good. Okay, next. Rihanna exclaimed, I am feeling weary today. Weary. Weary. Weary.
What is the meaning of the word?
Weary means tired. Weary. Weary means tired.
Okay. So uh, Rihanna said that ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Yes. Rihanna exclaimed, I am feeling weary today.
Very today. Rihanna exclaimed with sadness.
Okay, yeah, you can write, no problem.
Exclaim with sadness. Sadness nahi. Ma'am, what is joy and exclaim with joy or
Sadness is
uh,
fine.
okay,
Regret.
okay. Rihanna exclaimed with sadness. that she is no that
Wait, let me repeat the sentence. No problem. Let me repeat the sentence. Rihanna exclaimed, I am feeling very today. Very.
okay. Rihanna exclaimed,
Hmm.
or ma'am would exclaim would be changed
No,
to
no, it's just a helping verb. You
no, no,
can either write it or you can omit it. No problem.
no, exclamatory sentence we always write like na that she exclaimed with joy
Yeah,
that she got
yeah.
a gift like that. So
Yes,
I'm
yes, you can. And
so we can
especially
put
we use these things, Adi, listen to me, especially we use these things when we have exclamatory marks, remarks. For example,
so
oh, what a beautiful day. So then you can write that Kamya exclaimed with joy that it was a beautiful day. ऐसे, ठीक है?
okay. So it should be Rihanna exclaimed with sadness that uh that she is fearing very that day.
But why is? Which,
That
let's do step by step. Don't worry. And it's okay, it happens sometimes. I give you the sentence. Rihanna exclaimed, I am feeling very today. Okay? What
okay.
tense is used here? Which tense?
Rihanna tense is present.
Yes, simple present tense.
Simple present.
Hmm. So simple present tense changes to
Past simple
simple
past.
past. Okay? So I am feeling very today. I am feeling is present continuous. It changes to past continuous.
Past continuous.
So Rihanna exclaimed that she
She
was feeling very. Today
okay.
changes to that day.
That okay.
Okay? Today changes to that day.
That
It's okay. Like, don't be disheartened. Sometimes it happens. Okay? I'll give you
okay.
one more sentence. Okay. Mr. Rao said, don't smoke in my car.
Okay. Mr. Rao said, "Don't smoke in my car." Mr. Rao said that uh, don't would change to did not, na?
Mhm.
Okay.
Not to.
Don't
In these
okay.
questions, it changes to not to. Mr. Rao
Not
told,
to
said की जगह told
smoke
हो
in
जाएगा.
his car.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Mr. Rao told us, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, told me, told us, told her, anything. Told us not to smoke in his car.
Okay.
Okay? Because these types of questions do come. That's why I was doing it. Okay, next one. Mm-mm. Mia said, this is my first trip abroad. Mia said, this is my
Mia.
first trip abroad.
Uh, Mia said that.
Or told that.
Okay. Mia told that. Uh, it. No, it would change to
This
her.
is my first trip abroad. This is my first trip abroad.
So that was
Very good.
her
Hmm.
first trip abroad.
Very good. Amazing. Now see, Adi, you must have noticed there are two that's in this sentence. One is the
Yeah.
reported one, that,
Yeah.
and
Then
tense
one is
changes to that.
the death starting one.
Very good. Good. Good attempt. And also remember, Adi, that reported speech is just like a puzzle. Okay? You must have seen it is just like a puzzle. You have to join each and everything. Like you have to convert word by word wherever we are required to change the word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, one more sentence. Aunt said to Adi, do you like tea or coffee? Aunt said to Adi, do you like tea or coffee?
Aunt asked. Aunt asked. Uh,
Adi.
asked him, okay, asked Adi that नहीं आदि के बाद में हम क्या था सेंटेंस दैट आदि
Aunt asked Adi, do you like tea or coffee?
डिड ही लाइक टी और कॉफी डू वुड चेंज टू डिड
But then you are using question here. It's a question. Do you like tea or coffee? In questions, what do we use? If or whether.
ओके सो asked he if he liked coffee or tea
Liked tea or coffee. Aunt asked Adi if
coffee
he
if he
liked.
liked tea or coffee.
Yes. Okay. Last one, and then we'll do a worksheet. Okay. After discussion, I'll discuss one paragraph writing format and then we'll do one worksheet. Okay. So,
Speech.
no, reported speech. So, we are doing after this. We'll have a discussion and then we'll do one worksheet also. Okay. Because that will
Okay.
strengthen your concept.
Okay.
And in the next class, Adi, just share whatever literature you want to do with me. Okay. Share it before the class.
Ma'am, I also shared you like the not the syllabus of exam, but the topics what will be covered in my
Yeah,
school.
you shared it with me last time, I remember. I'll just check it. And okay, yeah. So one more sentence, Adi. Mom said,
Mom said,
Mom said, you must be careful while driving. Mom
Mom
said,
said,
you must be careful while driving.
Mom said that you would change to I.
Anything you can change. He, she,
I
they.
had to
Must changes to had to,
had,
chicken.
yeah, had to be careful while driving.
Yes, good. While never changes. So while is while. Okay, last one. Teacher said to Adi, what is the date today? What is the date today?
Teacher said would change to asked.
Hmm.
Teacher asked Addy uh, what would change to which.
Mhm. I gave this intentionally. What will not change?
Okay, what will not change?
Hmm.
So what was the date that day?
Very good. मैंने जान के ये सेंटेंस लिया था सो दैट यू नो कभी कभी ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं ना क्वेश्चन वर्ड्स लाइक हु व्हाट व्हिच दे डोंट चेंज हाउ फॉर एग्जांपल
Okay,
काम्या said to Adi how are you feeling today so you will say Kamya asked Adi how was he feeling that day ठीक है any doubts you want to clear Adi anything you want to ask from reported speech sure now reported speech is done Adi let's talk about